The Ant and the Grasshopper, written by Bella Watts, illustrated by June Julie. Once, there was a lazy grasshopper. He loved playing the fiddle and singing all day long. Nearby, an ant worked hard to collect food. Seeing the ant, the grasshopper invited the ant to sing with him.
Come and play with me.
The ant refused. She had to collect food for the winter.
You should collect some food for winter.
The grasshopper said to the ant, "Why worry? Winter is not yet here."
Look, it's still summer.
Soon autumn came. The ant kept working very hard to gather food. Then winter arrived. The ant was warm in her house, filled with food. But the grasshopper was hungry and cold. He had nothing to eat.
I'm so hungry, so cold.
The grasshopper came to the ant. The ant brought him into the house.
Come in.
Then the ant cooked some soup for the grasshopper.
Warm soup will make you feel better.
The grasshopper ate the soup. He felt much better now.
Thank you.
To thank the ant, the grasshopper played her a song on the fiddle. The grasshopper learned a lesson to not be lazy anymore.